Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a new Holoscan if I can CapCut apps. So for example, select your videos or photos that you like to edit and you are just going to select effect, select video effect and scroll down so you can find the Holoscan. But this is a pro effect. You have to join pro first to be able to use this effect. So you can tap on it again to adjust for the glow, blur, atmosphere, speed, color, and just click check mark so you can see for the final result like this. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.